Today we're gonna make a breakfast bowl. Alright, welcome back. Today we're gonna make a delicious breakfast bowl. We're gonna start off with some bell peppers. You can use the bell peppers of your choice. I like to use bell peppers because they brighten up the bowl. We're gonna go ahead and roast those in the oven once we cover them with oil. Alright, we're gonna roast them about 20 minutes on about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're gonna flip them over and do it for another 20 minutes on the other side. Then turkey bacon, we're gonna cook that in the oven as well. And after that's done cooking, we're gonna chop those up into small pieces. Set it aside, get our bell peppers, and chop those up as well. Set those aside and go on to the cauliflower rice. Now you can use a head of cauliflower and grate it, or you can use already riced cauliflower that's frozen, prepared already, like I did. I've done both ways, but you go ahead. You saute your garlic first. When it becomes fragrant, you quickly add your cauliflower and you mix them up. And there's some salt right there. After I add the salt, I'm gonna add some nutritional yeast after I mix it up right here. There it is. I love nutritional yeast in my rice cauliflower. Go ahead and give it another mix. And after we mix it up right here, gonna make sure everything's well incorporated before we add our next ingredient. That is our vegetable broth. Now we're gonna slowly let that cook out. And you know it's done once the vegetable broth has evaporated and your cauliflower's that nice soft texture. Now I'm moving on to the ground pork. You can use whatever ground meat you like. You can even use vegan ground meat. Do whatever makes you happy. I use ground pork right here, and I'm gonna cook it up until it's nice and browned. Alright, like that. That's when it's about done. That's gonna make an extra addition to my bowl. Now here comes the best part. The best part is, building the bowl, making it look pretty, making videos and pictures of it. And as you see, I'm adding the cauliflower rice. After that, I added a little bit of the chopped turkey bacon. Now this recipe, there's the pork. I love this recipe because it's very low on carbs, and it's gluten free, and it's a nice little light breakfast. There's a little bit of cheese. You can omit the cheese, especially if you're lactose intolerant. And then there's the bell peppers. The bell peppers really bring it alive, especially in the color. And then after this, we're gonna add the last part, which is our eggs. So I'm gonna go ahead and warm up a pot on medium-high heat. Add a little oil to it. Once it gets hot, that's when I add the egg. Now be careful not to break your yolk, because when I make over easy eggs, the worst thing is a broken yolk. You have to do it again. This breakfast is perfect for anybody who's trying to, have a light little breakfast, or, it's really keto friendly. Just remove the cheese. And if you want to make it vegetarian, you can remove the turkey bacon and the pork and replace it with any vegan meat that you like, such as Beyond Meat or anything else. This bowl is extremely customizable to fit whatever needs you have. But this is how I make it, and I'm almost done with the eggs. And there you go. Over easy eggs gonna go right on top, and we're gonna have one final touch. It's gonna be that avocado, the only green on that plate. There you have it. Very simple breakfast bowl that can be enjoyed any time of the day. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I have more content coming for you. Thank you for joining me. Have a good day.